So Barclays just updated their price target on TSMC to $355 per share, signaling about 18% upside over the next 12 months. I just got off TSMC's Q3 earnings call where their CEO, C.C. Wei, said, quote, "The explosive growth in AI model adoption means more computation is required, which leads to more cutting-edge silicon demand." We think that pretty much sums up the entire bull case for TSMC. Here are a few more notes from the call and a bit of background on TSMC, one of the largest chip manufacturers behind the AI explosion. TSMC has 5 product lines, and with demand for AI and data center related chips rising, high performance computing, or HPC, now makes up 50% of overall revenue. Between HPC and smartphone sales, that accounts for about 90% of their overall business. Customers include companies like Nvidia as well as Apple. TSMC has the kind of problem in business that you want to have, that is meeting demand. They're seeing this come in 2 ways. There's demand for volume and there's demand for advanced product. On the volume side, they're strategically building out new factories in Arizona, Japan, Germany, as well as Taiwan to meet the demand of today and tomorrow. In terms of product, customers want smaller, faster, more energy efficient chips. Keep in mind that energy is one of the biggest challenges when it comes to AI. So for example, the new N2 or A16 chips reduce size and energy requirements, and per the call, they let us know that they're on schedule for their release next year. TSMC beat earnings expectations with revenue coming in at $33.1 billion, 5% above the $31.5 billion expected. Earnings per share came in at $2.92. Their margin, something that's been under scrutiny, came in better than expected at 59.5% due to favorable exchange rates as well as more efficient production. The full year revenue guidance increased from 30% year-over-year growth to the mid-30s range. And their CapEx, something that Wall Street has been rewarding as of late, increased by $1 to $2 billion to about $41 billion for the year. The stock is currently $300 per share, but if you zoom out, it has rocketed up 45% over the last full year and 225% over the last 2 years. They definitely have risks and challenges, including the global trade war, specifically with the US and China. And it's not just for chips, but the rare earths involved in making chips. Thanks guys, hope this helps. Be good.